In finance and accounting, we use analysis of variance, or ANOVA, to understand if differences between groups are significant. At its core, variance measures how much our actual results deviate from what we expected to happen. We calculate an F statistic to determine if the variation we see is just random noise or a meaningful difference. Analysts use this tool to see if different business units or investment strategies are performing differently for a reason. While a t-test is great for comparing two things, ANOVA allows us to look at several groups without increasing our error risk. By visualizing the variance across groups, we can quickly spot which segments are outliers compared to the rest of the business. Remember that statistical tools are meant to guide your judgment, not replace the context of your specific financial situation. Understanding variance helps you make better sense of the numbers. Thanks for learning with us, and see you in the next video.